Hello, Bud TV. This is Charlie here. My daddy's gonna make pasta.
What's up YouTube, this is Bud TV with a brand new episode for the week. I'm going to teach you guys a very easy pasta dish and it's called Filipino style carbonara. And these are your ingredients. So your ingredients are 5 cloves of garlic chopped. You have 1 pack of bacon, 1 cube or beef cubes, the one that you can buy in supermarkets, 1 glass and a can of cream of mushroom and classic Alfredo sauce. You gotta have Parmesan cheese, and lastly, don't forget about your spaghetti noodles. So here's the first step. So in a hot pan, you cook first your bacon. You don't need to put additional oil in it because it has its oils. Let it cook by himself, and when it's golden brown, that's the time you can set it aside, scoop it up, and leave the oil for the garlic. By the way, I'd like to make a shout out to all my new friends at YTV Pinas. They're Andrie Bitun, Gelo Gutierrez of OfficialGelo 14, Franz of Francis Allen Vlogs, Bino Bautista of Bino Vlogs, and Keith Razon of Keith's Daily. Thank you for supporting Bud TV. And if you want to check out their channels, I'll be putting the links on the description box below. Thanks again guys for your support. Now after setting aside your bacon, go ahead and saute your garlic. Make sure that it doesn't burn. When it's fragrant and it's a little bit golden brown, that's the perfect time. You put your beef bouillon cubes. It's imperative to have that beef bouillon cubes in your ingredients for the sauce because it gives that additional flavor on it when you mix it with the Alfredo sauce and the mushroom sauce. So go ahead and put it and then mash it, mix it all together before you put the glass of Alfredo sauce. So you have to make sure you mix it all together, keeping in mind of your stove top. Make sure that it's on low heat. You don't want to burn your garlic. And when it's the right time, you can pour in your Alfredo sauce. So mix it thoroughly and go ahead and follow it up with your cream of mushroom. And if you feel that the sauce is a little bit thick, you can add half a cup to a cup of water to neutralize everything. Now give your sauce a thorough stir to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well together. Next step, you have to get your cooked bacon and you have to put a partial amount on it on your sauce to achieve that additional texture and flavor at the same time. And while you're at it, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified on our future videos as well. Last but not the least, we're gonna put Parmesan cheese to have that additional kick of flavor. So with that, we are done with our sauce. We now go ahead and cook our pasta noodles in a separate boiling water with a few tablespoons of oil. Go ahead and put on your pasta noodles and ideally cook it for like 7 minutes to get that al dente texture. Don't forget to occasionally stir your noodles to make sure that your noodles won't stick on the pot. That's the reason why we put oil on it. Now, after 7 minutes, that's gonna be cooked and ready for draining. You go ahead and pull it out the stove and remove the water. And the last thing that you would need to do is to transfer the pasta on the serving plate. Put a generous amount of carbonara sauce, add your bacon bits, and sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. And there you have it, Filipino style carbonara pasta, made just for you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to our channel for those who are new. And please don't forget to click that notification icon to be informed of our future videos. So thank you for watching. We hope you liked the video, and see you again next time here on Bud TV.